This is a video walkthrough tour of 15095 North Thompson Peak Parkway, Unit 1098 in Scottsdale, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Located in North Scottsdale, this 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo offers contemporary living in a prime location. The open floor plan features a kitchen with stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and ample storage. The bright living area opens to a private patio, ideal for relaxation. Enjoy the resort-style amenities, including a heated pool, spa, and fitness center. Close to shopping, dining, and outdoor activities, this condo is truly a must-see. The second bedroom is perfect for guests or a home office, while the primary bedroom includes a walk-in closet and en-suite bathroom with dual sinks. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. This is an opportunity you don't want to miss. Inquire today.